Oh yeah, yeah. What's up and what's good, YouTube, the World Wide Web, man? How's everybody doing, guys? It is a hot summer day, and it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, coming at you guys with a fan unboxing video. It has been forever since I've done one of these, and I do apologize because you guys have been sending stuff to my P.O. box. It's just taking me a little minute. I've been extremely busy, but I do apologize for the delays. Now, with that being said, there still are probably going to be packages I don't get into in this video because I am unboxing a magical number of 7 boxes today. So I really do appreciate it. Now, before we get into it, man, I've been making some planters upstairs. I've been trying to redo my house, turn this into an art/film studio. It's where I used to shoot pictures and ship items from, and it's become a huge mess. And so when I don't have somewhere to shoot, it delays me doing these unboxings. So that's kind of a little bit of the backstory as to why. But I'm doing the pop-up this weekend on the 12th at DFW Vintage Swapmeet in Dallas, Texas. That's why I'm making these planters. And speaking of planters, I feel like when I do these unboxings, man, it's my core people that watch this shit, which I definitely appreciate you guys for riding with me through the ups, the downs, and everywhere in betwixt. But yeah, I got a second channel as well. So if you guys want to see more of me, then my second channel is called Paul Plan 2. Link in the description. Anyways, enough chit chatter. Let's get into the first package. Hopefully this is not an eBay purchase. That would be sad. And it's not, baby. We got a note right here, and it says, ahem. Hey Paul, thanks for always putting out great YouTube videos and being yourself always. My husband and I always look forward to putting out a new video. To you putting out a new video. We found a few things for you while we were out sourcing. One for just you and a pair for you and Kinky to match in a fit pick. Hope you enjoy them. Love always, Brooke and Robbie at Expired Threads. Let's get it, man. And there's like a little dog on that note, bruh. Look at that little beach. No, let me stop playing, bruh. All right, so let's get into these items and see what they sent me. So first and foremost, you ain't winning if you ain't twinning. Oh, what do we have? Oh, the Kinky for Governor. Bro, the Kinky Freedman, the most legendary attempted yet failed politician. Bro, this is hard. Kinky Freedman for Governor, but I love how on the front it just says Kinky for Governor. Let's get it, little Kinky toy. She does have that like Civil War beard and stuff, so it kind of would make sense in like 1860s politics, you feel me? And then, oh yes, this one is a nice little a customization single stitch. It is the fishes that get you hella biatches custom made on the jersey's frame. Look at the puff paint, my guys. Wow, man. Some granny really did toil for a minute doing that. Lovely. Now this next piece says eBay on, it says eBay right there on the bag. So this might be an eBay purchase. I have to do like an old eBay unboxing as well in the future. Oh yeah, this is a nice little purchase. Check it out, dude. On this sherry frame, we saucing like a dolphin. Approach me with caution, my guys. Look at this, 4 dolphins, one nice little piece of fabric. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is sexy, dude, sexy. Now, speaking of wetness and water, you got aquatic and erotic images on this because fishes always get you hella biatches. I don't need to keep restating the obvious, but someone sent this. It says, please don't bend me. Ooh, mysterious. All right, I'm not supposed to bend this dude, but I mean, it's a box, and when there's a box, I gotta whip out trash. All right, let me not just damage this item, so trying to finesse it. I see something, hold up. Let me slide it. No way, hold on. Let me slide. Bruh. Oh my God. Bro, they sent me the Can Van advertisement. And it appears there are a couple of ads in here that I was sent. And there's a note as well. All right, let's see what it says. First of all, I like to say Verner's is way better than Canada Dry. Not the air is clear about that. I was flipping through my granddad's Playboys from the 80s. Flipping through, more like, oh my God. You feel me? Playboys from the 80s and saw this and instantly thought of you. Goes perfectly with the box you picked up. Hope you find a frame for this bad girl. Anyways, my baller beep private jet is about to take off. Talk to you later, daddy. Love, Dylan.Morgan23. Then the dude said, P.S. I don't really have a jet. Dude, that goes without saying. No offense. I mean, you could be extremely rich. Does anyone that follows me have a freaking jet? I don't think so, dude. Maybe like an inkjet printer or something. Some Epson shit, but that's about it. Alright, hopefully there's no stray titties on these Playboy pics. Oh, there's not. Okay, so you have the beautiful Canada Dry. It's not an Aerostar, it's an Astro van. And then you have the Georgia O'Keeffe-esque booty and eye coming out of a snatch. Alright, so that would be very freaky, and I'd hate to poke someone's eye out, if you know what I mean, with that thrift sausage. And then, oh, look at the vintage specs, dude. Oakley's? Hello. Jesus, she built like a spider. Why is she crouched down like that? And then there's some sick cards that were thrown in as well, which I always do appreciate. You guys check these out. Obviously, I can't read them while they're displayed to the camera. But, yeah, these are so sick. Neon Peon Sanders. Let's get it! The caricature cards go hard. I actually spent more time on that little sliver of a box than I thought, but it was well worth it. Thank you, Dylan. I appreciate it. All right, now this next box, we gotta use Trish to slide up into as well. Oh yeah. This says, Paul, hey Paul, love the channel. Here are some of my finds. Aiden at woo! _ Aiden, or who Aiden. I don't know why I read it like Ric Flair, but it is what it is. Woo! All right, let's see what Aiden threw in. Okay, you got the 8-ball. It ain't senior, it's junior, baby. Hell yeah, man. Look at that, look at that dude. He's rocking the shades from that previous unboxing. Oh, you got the duck head is the best head. Oh, that little seed corn hat. I love me some old school truckers. Hell yeah, this isn't even a trucker. Whatever. And then I also got the, oh, this is a trucker in a different way. You got the Chevy Trucks, denim hat, suede brim. It's not suede. Dude, I'm tweaking. And then you got the ProRodeo.com. Vintage snapback. And then last and not least, why, dude? Why? I got rid of my charger and now I'm getting all this Mopar merch. You kidding me? You kidding me? But in Aiden's defense, I probably did own my charger when you sent this package. It's been that long and I apologize. All right. So thank you, Aiden. I appreciate you. Let's get into another one. Slice and dice, sweetheart. Slice and dice. Okay. Oh, they padded it and put it in a box. Is this food? This is from Raw Rev. Raw, the way your mother likes it. Hey, Raw Rev is a long history. Dave at rawrev.com. All right, so I think they just sent me this to try. This is like a product promo, I feel like. So that's why I didn't really read all that. No offense, but if you ain't paying me, dude, I ain't about to read all that, okay? Okay. Oh, this food? Oh, they sent me food. Peanut butter and dark chocolate and sea salt. Should I try this? Should I try? Bro, I'm finna try this right now. This shit might be expired. Hold on. Hold up. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Non-GMO. June 21st. Dude, right in time. All right, let's see. Contains peanuts and soy. Okay, this is vegan, bro. Let's get it, man. You guys know, man, I be trying not to be torturing and killing these animals to the best of my ability. Ooh, it does look a little, okay, it looks a little molasses-esque, okay? Very shiny, man. Heavy gloss. Shit moist. Okay. The taste profile. Hold on. Heavily tastes of sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds? And almost like a peanut butter chalk mixture. I'm not even trying to roast them. Like, I'm gonna eat the whole box and shit, but it's not bad, but it's not great. It's raw. So that was cool. Next, I feel like there is a hat in this box because it is huge and it weighs absolutely nothing, which is odd, but it gives me hat vibes. Okay, so this might have been a purchase. We're gonna see. I thought I would just tear through that. I feel it, bro. This looks big. Is the package deceiving the contents? Oh, it's a hat, and the color says it all. Oh yes, oh yes. I caught a steal. I caught a steal. This was a personal acquisition, dude. Houston Oilers, H-Town, hold it down. Look at all of the embroidery. Embroidery on the side, embroidery on the booty cheeks, and this is the one side that you could be caught lacking in. Like, look at this, bro. 75% coverage with heavy thread count, all right? But this one side is not cracking. But dude, rarely do you see that 75 3/4 coverage, bruh. This hat is nice. It is also heavily sweat encrusted, man. So shout out whatever person toiled in this hat. It's mine now. I'm just gonna clean that that little, what is that called? Headband out. It'd be good to go. And I think this is actually the last one, okay? And this does got a little bit of weight to it, all right? So we're gonna crack into this baddie and see what we have for daddy. Whoa, hold up. Somebody sent me some shoes. Somebody sent me some shoes. These look huge, bro. Is this my size? Is this my size? Yes, it is. Okay, size 12. All right, they know my sock size as well then. Dude, what? This thing is covered in like horsehair, bro. What's the model of this? It definitely has some like Chinese all up on it, dude. Hell yeah. Look at that. Is that called kanji or is that Japanese? I'm so ignorant, dude. It's blaringly obvious. But on the front, you have this little logo. I don't know off the dome the model of these guys, but I assume it's like the year of the horse. Chinese New Year. I could be wrong. I don't know what horse has this texture on it. Glow in the dark outsole? Possibly. Possibly. These are fire though, man. Thank you. Hopefully there's a note in here so I can give credit where credit is due. This is from Not a Chuck Vintage, all right? Not a Chuck right there, baby. Nice. And then, oh, we got a couple pieces, couple t-shirt pieces. This says, born to fish, ha! Forced to work. The theme, fishes get you hella biatches. Don't forget it. Don't ever forget these things. Next up, Dallas Cowboys, Bank of America promo. And then this, I can't even find the upper, dude. Where's the neck? Where's the head hole? This nice little Henley as well. So the note says, ahem, what's up, Mr. Paul Cantu /Plan 2? My name is Charlie, Not a Chuck Vintage on STD Bop, Insta, all this shiz. I'm writing to you today just to tell you how much I admire you, your channel, your plants, and of course, the boy Lil Kinky. I've been into vintage clothing for the last couple years now, but since the pandemic decided to expand, I decided to expand into a reseller, which is how I discovered you also. I'm gonna keep it short, just say thanks for inspiring myself and all of us resellers to get out there and grind. Yes, I tossed a few goodies, the Air Force One. Yep, you're the horse. How'd I know? It looked like horse, but then again it didn't. But hey, Trish always tells me when a horse is in her surroundings, dude. She just started low-key being like, and I was like, what? Is this horsehair? She's like, yes, yes. And I was like, okay, I'll get it. Anyways, guys, there goes another quick unboxing. I could have done more stuff, but this video already is long enough. Thank you guys for watching, joining, and for everyone who still hasn't had their stuff unboxed. Dude, I'm gonna get to it. One unboxing a week until I am through with all these packages. Then I'm finna get more stuff. Pull up on me this weekend in Dallas, Texas. Info in description. Check out the website, Thrift Heaven, if you guys want. And my P.O. box is conveniently in the description down below. I love y'all. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. And until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.